So today is November 22nd, and the puppies are in their big dog pen now. Woo! They just had their first real meal of dog food, which surprised me because they totally devoured it, and usually first time out they just kind of play in it. So hi guys. Mom's in there. It's because there was food in there, so she's cleaning up all the stuff they spilled. You want out? Oh, you got a bad itch there, Hunter? Hi, baby. Are you trying to escape? Not gonna take you much to get out of there, is it? I had to put duct tape across the door because they were already out yesterday. Ruby, can you go, please? Hi, Hunter. What you doing? Run around. Are you trying to escape? There's silly Morticia. What are you doing, baby? Sabrina's got it out for Jackson today for some reason. Morty, you're funny. Morty, you gonna go pee like a big girl? Aren't you guys tired with your full bellies? You make me tired watching you. Okay, we're gonna go. See ya, puppies.